Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix fingerprint sensor not working on POCO C85. So first, open the settings of your phone, go into Fingerprint, Face and Screen Lock, then Fingerprint, click on your fingerprint, remove it, and add another fingerprint. Just add it once again. So I'll be back with you when it's done. Okay, done. Then take a microfiber if it's still not working and just clean the fingerprint sensor. And remove the screen protector because it may cause interference. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.